So hello students, so hope you are doing well. So in the today's videos we will discuss about the PCI and we are launching a PCI course. Recently we have launched it and here we are officially launching it, right? PCI. PCI, there is a lot of demand in the industry of PCI, right? Especially who are working in the industry, not for the fresher. This is not for the fresher especially. That is why it is not a part of RTL design course we have, right? It is separate course, right? Because that is a very big protocol, right? And useful not for the fresher, but who are working in the industry, whether it is 1 year or 3 year or 5 year. For those people, this course it is, right? So, and there are different type of gen like gen 1, gen 2, gen 3, gen 4, gen 6, right? Like that different gens are there, so we are focusing on gen 5 in this course, right? So even gen 6 basics we will cover, even other gen we will discuss, right? So let us see like what is PCI, and here we will see. So what is full form of PCI? Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. So this is the full form of the PCI, right? Peripheral Component Interconnect Express is the full form, and what is like it is useful for high speed serial computer expansion bus protocol it is, and it is useful to connect hardware components like SSD, graphics card, or network adapters, right, etc., right? Going to the next, some of the features that PCI have: high speed data transfer, scalable bandwidth, because it has a different lengths, like up to 6 lengths we have, right? So different lengths are there for that data transfer. So bandwidth is scalable here, and improve data integrity. It improve the data integrity, right? And high packet generation rate, that is data rate is very high. Point to point connection, it connect point to point, right? So this is some of the basic feature that freshers should know, right? Oh, and there are different type of layers in PCI, right? I was working for AMD, so there was a PCI like a project. So there are different teams for the different layers, right? So these layers are also very detailed things, right? So the different teams are there for different layers. So you can see the complexity of the PCI, right? So this is a complex projects, and whatever it is useful for the candidates who are working in the industry, so everything we are covering in depth, and we will see the syllabus also, right? So the physical layer, data link layer, transaction layer. So physical layer is for the data transfer mainly. Data transfer, data link layer is for the controlling the data, right? And transaction layer is for the package generations, right? So this is the basic that freshers should know, right? So now we will see like this diagram. You can see that different different things are there in the different layers. So PCI is a high speed serial computer expansion bus protocol used for the connect hardware components like graphic control, graphics card, SSD, neural networks, etc., and it is point to point connections, networks connections are there, point to points, and different layers are there. So you can just read it. If you are fresher, just read it basic if you want, but in the depth this is not for you unless you are working on this project, right? Because this is very complex projects. So here we will see. Okay, let us see what are the things we are covering in this. So this is the syllabus officially we have for the PCI, right? So what are the things we are covering in this? This is visible, I guess, right? Yeah. So how PCI evolved? What is PCI? Difference between PCI and PCIe. What is PCI protocol? PCI throughputs. What through topology of PCIe? PCIe configuration space. PCIe configuration header fields. Type 0 PCI configuration header fields. Type 1 PCI configuration header fields. Capability structures, enumerators, BDF assignments. Yeah, going down. Yeah. BDF assignment, PCI bar, PCIe bar, PCIe transaction layer, transaction flow. Then we will discuss about the layers in this. TLPS generations, basically package generation, package routing, package header fields, transaction descriptors, memory TLP, input output configuration TLPs, message TLPs, vendors defined messages, completion TLPs. Then we will discuss about the data flow. Data flow, DLC, ML, some terminology is there, I guess. Then we will discuss about the data link layer, physical layer. Next, we will discuss about serial and serialization of data, 8B and 10B encoding, framing, link initialization, order sets, TS1, TS2. Then we will discuss about the LTSSM, detect, polling, configuration, LO, L0, L01, L1, L2, recovering and equalization, right? So, and so there are more points here. So yeah, more points are there. So MSI, message signal interrupt, MSIX, power management, PCIe errors, pipe physical interface for the PCIe controller, verification flow, test bench, then interview questions are there. So this is the complete thing we are covering, and also we are covering the theoretical as well as coding part, whatever is required for the industry labor, right? It is not like that complete projects we are working, like complete things we are doing that exactly you are doing in the industry, but this will be useful for the who are working in the industry, right? Because everyone have the different specifications, so maybe interconnects are different, right? So different specifications are there, but what is required for the people who are working in the industry, that is more than enough that we are doing, right? But obviously every chip have the different specifications, so specifications wise it is obviously company to company it will differ, right? But that will be useful if you don't know anything in the PCI, right? And you want to become a pro in the PCI, right? So here we have the more points, I guess. Maybe here, yeah, we can see like we will discuss about the big picture, what is PCI, background of the PCI, like Gen 5, Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3, all these things, PCI architecture overview, configuration overview, address spaces and routing we will discuss, transactions layer, TLP elements, data flow, quality of the services, transaction ordering. Then we will discuss about the data link layer, DLLP elements, acknowledgement protocols or not acknowledgement protocols, then physical layer, so physical layers, Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3, what is the electrical importance of physical layer, then initial link training initializations is there, and then part 5 we will discuss about the error detection, handling, power management, interrupts, and the system reset. So if we say in the syllabus, like this was the syllabus we have framed first, but this is also good. Both are similar, same syllabus is there, only the headings are different, right? So we have discussed chapter wise here, right? Part 1, part 2, part 3, okay, part 4, yeah, part 5 are there, up to 5 we have. We will discuss about the Gen, like overview of this in this, right? We will discuss about the transaction layer, we will discuss about the data link layer, we will discuss about the physical layer, then we will discuss about the additional topic we have, like error detection and everything we will discuss, error detections, power management, interrupts, reset, system reset. So all those things we will discuss, right? And we are focusing on Gen 5 in this, right? It is not like the Gen 1, Gen 2. Basics of Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3, Gen 4 we will discuss, but focused on Gen 5, what is industry is using, right? Maybe like Gen 6 are also some company are working. So like if you know Gen 5, obviously it is useful for the Gen 6 also, Gen 7 also. But whenever the industry will be updated, we will maybe next year we will launch a Gen 6, or we will add some of the chapters in this in Gen 6 in the coming months, like whenever it is required. But right now, this much is more than enough we are covering. And also, some other coaching centers are covering around 20 to 25 hours. We are covering 55 hours, more than 55. Right, minimum is 55 hours right now it is going on, so it is more than 55 hours, right? So everything we will discuss in this, even if some of the topics are missing in this, so we will going to add it, right, on your demand, right? So if anything is missing, we will add it, so don't worry, everything will be covered by our expert, so in a detailed manner. So coding part will be also discussed of every layer, and also theoretical part will be also discussed. That is very important, right? Both are important, equally important. So basics we have seen. So if you have any further doubt, you can come to the website, go to the premium courses, go to the premium VLSI courses, here you can see all our VLSI courses. This is the website vlsforall.in. This is the website vlsforall.in. .com is working also, that is also working, but for the purchasing purpose, this better is website is more suitable. Both are good website obviously, but if you want to register directly using website, then obviously best thing is the app, VLSI for All app, or you can just WhatsApp to us on my phone number. I will mention my phone number also. You can WhatsApp me on this number. Just wait. You can directly WhatsApp to us for any query. For any query, you can regarding registration, regarding syllabus, for any course, regarding mentorship. For any query, you can WhatsApp to me. I will call you back within 2 days. Right? And please don't call me directly. Just message me on the WhatsApp. I will definitely call you. 9643070368. This is my number. I will help you in registration also, resolving query, all the things I will discuss, but it will take 1 or 2 days to call you back, right? If you directly want to purchase using app, we have the VLSI for All app is there. VLSI for All. It is available everywhere. It is available everywhere in the Play Store, App Store, Windows, even in the laptop it is working. In the bottom of website, Play Store, App Store, Windows. You can download in the laptop also, Windows, right? So it is available here also, right? So if you want to enroll in the PCI course, regarding validity we increase up to, like whatever it is mentioned here, up to double validity without any extra charge we give. Without any extra charge for every course, up to double validity we give. So don't worry about validity is less or something like that. 4-month validity we are giving, but up to 6 months or 7 months we will give you. Don't worry about that part. Fees is very minimum. Other coaching center are charging I guess 20 or 15,000 like that. I don't know about the other coaching center, but they are high, charging like little bit higher obviously, right? And we are charging around 10,000 for this course, right? You can see all the course we have. Even RIX5 we have did CDC, linting, Python, system value, UVM, VHDL, fabrication course we have, semiconductors we have, all the possible courses we have right now, right? Maybe this 40 plus courses are there right now, but it will increase also. Yeah, RIX5 is also there, and we have the PCIs also there. Both are good projects. This will be useful for the college going students also, especially for the major who want to do a major projects for the college, right? And for the placement also, this is good. And here you can see the syllabus and everything you want to register. I will mention the link of this course and registration link in the description also. There you can directly do the registration. So yeah, even like everything we are covering, even interviews questions we are discussing, like test bench flow will be also covered. So everything we are covering, right? Here you can see all the layers will be covered, And if you want to directly register, you can directly register here, right? So this is the best thing you can do if you are working and you want to learn a PCI in a lesser time, right? Otherwise, one book is also there, Mindshare book is there. That is very good, but that is like, it is like more than like 1200 pages, right? So that is also one good. We are taking the reference of that book also, so that is really good book, right? So if you have any doubt, you can directly pinch me on the WhatsApp, and also download our application VLSI4 Lab. You can just WhatsApp to us. We will going to discuss all your queries. So if you have any doubt, feel free to contact us anytime, but we will going to reply within 2 days, right? Internship program, offline classes are also there, but not for this course. So RTL and verification and physical design course, we have the offline classes also in the Noida. Right now in the Noida, next year we will open in the other locations also, right? Counseling, calling, everything is free, but courses, even free courses we have, you can see over on our YouTube channel. And also I will add three plus 5, around 5 hours demo classes of the PCI in the description also. In the description also, I will add lot of like descriptions, YouTube. Yeah, this is 5-hour demo classes of PCI in the description also. If you want to see the quality of the course, you can just refer that thing, or otherwise you can WhatsApp me. I will share the demo links to you, right? So here we have, I guess, one demo class also, one demo class we have, but we will upload more and more videos of the PCI also. Around 5 hours video we have, 6 hours video we have. We will going to upload, public it soon, right? It is in the private folder right now, but it will be public very soon for you, right? And total around 55 hours, minimum 55 hours. I'm saying it is more than 55 hours only, right? So don't worry about quality, depth and all. Everything we are focusing. If you have any further doubts, you can just WhatsApp to me. My number is mentioned on the website also, right? In a poster also, you can click it and it will take you to the WhatsApp, right? Yeah. In this poster also, it is mentioned 9643070368, right? So you will easily get the number that, and here we have the contact us. You can directly contact us, like number is mentioned. And our offline center is in Noida, near hardly less than 50 meters from Noida sector 16 metro station, right? So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. All the best.